Hello, dreamers. This is Somnia Stellarum. We are back in Space Astronomy. Today, we have a few things to do. Mainly, we're going to be looking at our power supply because, as you could tell, the last few episodes, we've been running into a bit of power problems. We've been doing our science, and there's a few automation things I want to do. But first things first, we need to get away from using coal as our main power source. So I'm going to do that. And let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, it's raining outside, but that's okay. I've cleared out a bit of a space over here, and this is where we're going to start kind of expanding. But in the meantime, ooh, hello, you need to go. Oh, stop. Dude. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. Had to kill that guy first. There is a creeper over here. So where is he exactly? Looks like he's over in the... somewhere over here. I think he's gone, or not able to get around to me. Let's just go in here for now. Okay, so as you can see, I've added a few minor automation stuff here. Nothing much, but just a little bit. So these machines I kind of want to get laid out a little bit better, and the best way I find to do that is to make a new power source so that I can power these, so I don't have to use this coal generator all the time. So the way I'm going to do that is a little bit of immersive engineering. So this is a coke oven. This is pretty easy to make. I'll show you that right now. So all you need to do is make, if we go into overview and resources, you need coke bricks, and then you just make a 3x3 of this, and you right click it with an engineer's hammer. And all this is a bunch of clay, bricks that are just smelted clay, and sandstone. It's not sand, you have to craft it into sandstone, but it is pretty easy to make. And then you make it into a 3x3. I think this, you can actually show like the layers, but it's a 3x3. And then you right click it, and that's it. And what you do is you load it up with coal, and it will create coal coke. So it'll do 1-to-1. They have a better burn time, so it actually creates a better sort of coal than normal coal. And then on top of it, it also creates creosote oil. And with that, I can go ahead and take my bucket, and I'm a little bit of a pincushion right now, but that's all right. I can take my bucket, I can surround it with some regular old wood planks, and then I get treated wood. And now with that treated wood, what I want to make is there we go, windmill blades. Awesome. And what do I make with windmill blades? Well, I can go ahead and use those with one piece of iron, and I get a windmill. Awesome. I also need a kinetic dynamo, so I'm going to go ahead and make one of those, which is just like so. And now I can actually go and place this in the world. The higher I go up, the better. So you do want to get quite high up actually to get the best power. But for now, we'll just do this here. We'll kind of build up a little bit here. And then we could put this off on the side like so. Place. Okay, we could place you down like that. And now, I come up. Yeah, of course I fell. Okay, and now if I place this windmill down, I should be able to start generating power. Isn't it just on there like so? I thought it was like that. To be honest, I've only ever done the watermill. And I kind of figured it was the same. We'll claim the reward anyways. I need to be up a little bit higher. Unless these are in the way. Huh. Maybe it needs to be up a little bit higher. So what if we do that? And then if we just try to place that like that. Oh, there we go. Okay, looks like it's placing that now. Oops. Well, we got a working windmill. So that actually kind of looks nice up there. I kind of like it. But I do need some more power. So let's set that up just right there. Nope, that's not what I wanted. How about we go just up here. Now I can go ahead and place you like so. And now I can connect the wires. Birds on a wire. Awesome. Look at that. I'm able to connect it up. Cool. So now I can get this over to a power supply or wherever I need this power. I could start doing some cool stuff with this. So that is awesome. Might as well fix up my terrain a little bit. Looks a little awkward otherwise. That's basically it. So that is our power supply. Let's see, what else do we want to do for this episode? Let's take a quick look in our quest book. And we might be able to upgrade our... Yeah, we might be able to upgrade. We need the improved windmill. How do we get the improved windmill? Okay, so that is steel or iron? Or is it just steel? No, it must be steel. Okay. And then we also need the improved windmill blade, which we need tough fabric for, which is just industrial hemp. Yeah, I don't think that we're able to get though yet. That's okay. I think we're good enough with that. So that does open up some other stuff. Ooh, it opens up the storage system. Find a meteorite. Well, we already found this, so we can actually probably breeze through a couple of these tasks. So let's see what we can do. We need an energized... let's see, what is the compass made of? I don't actually have to find the meteorites because I was very lucky, and I actually got all my presses already. So where are they? They're all down here. So that is awesome. But that does mean that I should have some charged stuff around here somewhere, hopefully. Do I have any charged Certus quartz? I hope I do. Certus quartz. A plain old Certus quartz, but no charged Certus quartz, unfortunately. Huh. Well, looks like that might have to wait. I was certain I had some charged Certus quartz though. Oh well, that's alright. Certus quartz, regular Certus quartz, and nothing. Okay, so I can't do that one just yet, but that's alright. What we can do is start looking at how we're going to be setting up our power supply. So we're going to need energy cells, I think. And we're probably just going to start with the leadstone energy cell. So if we look at that, we just need a little bit of leather and some glass, or leather, a little bit of lead, some glass, and some redstone. The redstone we already have. The glass, we already have some here. Let's see, lead, redstone we have there, and lead. We've got some in here. The tricky thing is we have some iron in our smeltery already, and we don't really have anything else set up. So I just want to see what if lead can actually combine with anything. I don't think it can. Okay, so let's go out to our smeltery. As we'll do that. And we'll take our lead. I thought I grabbed some lead. I guess I didn't. I didn't have room. Let's put some stuff into here. Just a whole bunch of stuff we don't need at the moment. Yeah, it's good enough. Okay, so we need our lead. Let's go ahead and grab all the lead we can. And let's just drop it in here. You know what, I could be fancy. I could be fancy and do... Look at that, that's kind of cool. I kind of like that. I can go ahead and do this, and all of that gets picked up. Isn't that cool? So we just need a little bit of lead, and once we have that, let's look up our energy cell again. Energy cell right here. Okay, so that's all we need for that, and then we're going to need a little bit of copper, and oh, we're going to need some electrum. So that's gold and silver. Yeah, gold and silver, which we could just make in our... Yeah, we can go ahead and make that in our smelter here. I don't think those combine with anything as well. So let's just throw a couple of these in there, just like so. And we can go ahead and we'll place the gold first, then the silver second. So that'll get smelted up. In the meantime, we should have some iron, we should have some lead. So we're all ready to go for that. We got the silver and the gold going right there. Yep, they're going right now. And it's all good. Are you all full? maybe? I don't know if it would overflow. I hope not. Hey, what are you? Lead block, industrial craft. Why is that industrial craft? I don't know. Okay, let's see if we can craft this. Just like so, with some glass, like that. Awesome. We've got that. And now we need a little bit of copper too. I think I have some more of those already. Just enough. So let's look at that one more time. Copper on the top, then a little bit of electrum. The electrum should be good to go. Or almost. Okay, we got the silver. Yeah, this is all full up, so we need to empty this as much as possible. Okay, so we have 4 ingots of silver. We're going to have 4 ingots of gold that are going to combine for 8 ingots, but we're not going to have enough to... Why do you do that? Okay, let's grab you. We're gonna, not that, we're gonna need the ingot cast. Put you there. The gold isn't quite done. But that's okay, we can put you there. Oh, that's why. We're missing out on some fuel. So let's go grab some fuel. As a AKA a little bit of lava. So we'll grab it just like that. Come on, back up here. Close the door behind us. We should probably find a way to automate that a little bit, but that's all right. And we now have electrum. So let's go ahead and make just one's enough for now. We'll come back. I'll come back and I'll start automating that a little bit more, or maybe get some machines for that, or I don't know exactly what we'll do, but we'll do something. So let's go ahead and grab a little bit of redstone dust right there. Put those on the ends, electrum in the middle, that on the bottom. I think it's on the bottom. Yeah, it is. Okay, so now we have that. Let's see if we can't get this hooked up. You know, we should be able to just have it right up at the top. So that should be fine and dandy. Or dandy and fine. Oh, with the exception of, we need a little bit of the connectors. So let's see, what do we need those? We need these ones here. So we're gonna need a little bit more copper and some hardened clay. Okay. Did I have that in my knapsack? I did. Okay, how much of that do we need? We need 4 pieces, so we need to smelt up 4. So let's go like that. We need to smelt those up, and then we need a little bit of copper. So we're gonna need to do some more smeltery stuff, which means let's put you down again. I should really get 2 of these, but for now that's all right. Okay, keep getting some iron. Does copper combine with anything that's in there already? That's one thing to know. Okay, copper combines with tin to get bronze, combines with aluminum to get aluminum brass, combines with redstone to get conductive red metal, and it combines with redstone, destabilized redstone, and silver to get signalum. But that doesn't look like we're going to have any trouble. So let's go ahead and grab some copper. We'll toss that in before the lead because we want to get some of those in. We're going to have to fill you up again, probably pretty soon. So you know what, let me go get a little bit more of that. Actually, let me cook up the clay first. So we just do that. I know it's not very efficient, but we're going to get a power source, so that is all right. And then we can go down here. Let's get some more lava. Put that in there. Okay, get some copper in there. As it gets filled up. And we need, what we're going to make again? There was something we were going to make. Oh, right, the LV, wasn't low voltage, it was immersive engineering. Immersive engineering. So we need 3 copper and some hardened clay. So the clay should be done. Okay, the clay is done. I think we're going to need 1 more of these. Might need a bit more, actually, but we'll see. Hey, all right, did you stop? Keep filling up. Come on. Okay, so we'll switch to lead and we'll start emptying the lead out here. Oops. I switched that up a bit too soon. Okay, once that's done, we can switch to copper and then we'll get what we need. Come on, almost there, almost done. Awesome, we now have our copper. Let's go ahead and grab a little bit more. And we can come in here. Turn this into that. We can look this recipe up and we get some more of these guys. Awesome. Okay, let's go set up our power supply really quickly and get our energy cell charging. And that should be it for the episode. I think we're going to be, we've done some good progress. We've built our windmill. We're probably going to build like a water mill at some point. And for the moment, that's going to be enough, I think. As far as power is concerned. Let's just take a look at configuration. You should be facing, I'm going to want you facing this way. And then on top is where you're going to be accepting power. And we can go ahead and place one of you right on top, just like that. And we need a cable. So let's go ahead and grab our copper cable, just like that. And connect to you. Awesome. And now, yeah, we just need the blue. Okay, and then we might, I'm not sure exactly which way we're going to be going, but that's good enough. Does it tell you what? It's charging up pretty slow. Yeah, like I think it's like 10 RF a tick or something. So you definitely want to switch to the improved Windmill, or at the very least have like the water mill or something, because the water mill can do like up to 80 RF a tick or something. So you do want to have a better power supply than just the Windmill, and certainly going up higher would end up giving you a little bit more power. But for now, it's going to be enough. So let's just let that charge up, and we'll be able to start using that power at some point. But that looks good. I think it looks really cool. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? That is awesome. That is a screenshot right there. So let's just go ahead and try to take a screenshot. Awesome. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. See you guys later. Bye.